Okay, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, okay, so as you guys can see, I just added this one. So first of all, congratulations to all of you, since most of you really did great in your midterm exam. But of course, we do have this top 10. Okay, so this is to give acknowledgement for our top 10 highest score in midterm exam. It's right here. So we have here number one who got the highest score, Mr. Ramos Brian Roger. So congratulations for getting score of 92, followed by Miss Ginaran Grace, score of 90. Mr. Tanicala Marcangelo got a score of 88. Miss Gabalban Dia got a score of 84. Miss Kapan Giselle Mr. Alburo Jan Francis. Yeah, so the three of them got a score of 84. That's when, of course, comes along with the, I don't know what happened, but I just sorted this one. So let's just say that all the three of them is top four. Okay. So we have here for the next one is Mr. Paran, Aaron Christian, and Mr. Martinez, Senior James, and Miss Garcia, Sophia Nicole. So they've got a score of 78. And then lastly, of course, we have Mr. Louis. Congratulations for getting a high scorer. Okay, or at least you were able to make it that one on top 10 highest scoring. Overall, all of you guys were able to pass, I guess. So I'm pretty sure that uh, no one failed at the subject. Let me just maybe because as far as I know, when I check, most of you did pass this one. So yes. So average score is 73%. So most of you, 90%, all of you were able to pass, except there's one got a score of 52, but only one. Okay. Anyway, so congratulations to all of you. So let's give them a virtual round of applause. Okay, congratulations to all of you guys. All right. So, any questions so far, or clarification or concern with your midterm exam before we proceed to week 7 and 8?
None, sir.
Okay. So if you guys don't have any concerns, then let's proceed now to the DevOps or week 7 and 8. So for the overview, we have this one as your topic learning outcome. So we'll determine the definition of agile project management, determine the definition of DevOps, determine the goal of DevOps, determine the pieces of DevOps maturity, determining the values of DevOps, its cultures and tools, and then determine the history of DevOps. And then here the list of topics that will be discussed under this module. So we only have one module for this week 7 and 8. And then we have the supplemental videos for this topic, for this specific DevOps. And then we have here one reading material for the DevOps, which was introduced by AWS. Okay. So here is the module itself of the DevOps. So this is 30 slides only, I guess. And here is the pre-made video, which is an hour and 36-minute video, I guess. 1 hour and 34. Okay. So here is an important thing that I would like you guys to know. So for the first 2 minutes or first 3 minutes, just ignore that one because before or last year, I was actually planning to give them the project. Okay, but due to lack of time, I decided not to give them anymore. Okay, so just ignore that one. So same thing, I will not give you guys a project anymore. So we are more on the research break. Okay. So yeah, this is an hour and 34-minute video discussing the 36 slides of this DevOps. So you can check that one later on. And then you guys have one research work and one case study for this module. So this one is super similar with what you guys did in our, previous week 2 to 6. So in here, you guys created slide share, a PowerPoint, So the same, you're going to create a PowerPoint presentation out of this. So choose at least 5 categories that are being used in DevOps. So on each category, find one specific tool and do some research about it. Then create a PowerPoint presentation out of it. So you can choose a category amongst these 9. Okay, so these are the tools that is being used on a DevOps. So we have the version control tools, GitHub, GitLab, container management tools, the Docker, and so on and so forth. Application performance monitoring tools, deployment and server monitoring tools. So we have that. Configuration management tools, CI deployment automation tools, test automation tools, artifact management tools, and then codeless test automation tools. So if you guys would like to learn more about these 9 different tools, you can go to this website. So in here, it will be discussed more. What is this version controls? What is this container management, application performance, and so on and so forth. But of course, you can search more, okay, on on Google or any browser that you are using for more information. So this is not the only source that discusses about this tools, okay. So on each tool, I would like you guys to write a short history of it. So again, choose only 5. Okay, out of 9, just choose 5. And then the definition or purpose of that tool. And then how do you use that tool? And then give a step-by-step short demo. Include pictures to make it easier to follow. And then what is your conclusion or thoughts on that specific tool? So was that helpful with your project? Or what will it be helpful to your future project, something like that. Okay, so this is a file upload which will be due 2 weeks from now, so July 8th. Okay, so thank you for a very quick response, Mr. Pumana. We like that. Okay, without even asking, giving me thumbs up. And then we only have one, of course, we only have one case study on each module tab. So here you're going to have a, one case study. So you guys already know what to do with this one. Just read the questions and then just answer just read the facts and then just answer the question with your, your own opinion of your own knowledge. So there is no incorrect answer regarding this one. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. And if ever there is an additional, well, I will just explain that one to you guys. Or maybe I'll just announce it. Okay, or I'll just add that one next week. Okay, so for now, just focus on this one. So yeah, that would be all for today's meeting. Any questions or clarifications so far?
Answer.
All right. And then, so as usual, you guys don't have any questions. Anyway, I just really hope that it's a positive thing wherein you guys were really able to follow everything, you were able to understand everything in a good way, in a positive way. Anyway, so if you guys don't have any questions or clarification anymore, then that's it. You guys may go now. As always, thank you guys for coming. A blessed day to all of you. Thank you and goodbye, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Thank you to and goodbye.